Alright, I've got this done. Basically what you have now is a nice, evenly round cylinder. Well, kinda, sorta evenly round. I gotta get in here and flatten things out. But what I wanted to show you was a good way to tell that it's even round. You could set your tool on it, and if it don't bounce, it is pretty even. Oh, we got a little bit right there, but nothing too extreme. But as you can see, the rest of it is pretty well done. I'll shut it off, show you what it looks like. Yeah, you can see where it's uneven just a tad. But yeah, I'll go ahead and get back to working on this, and I'll get it a little more shaped out. I'll show you where I'm at. So be right back. So I've got it shaped out a little bit here. What you're looking at is I got the bottom over here, and the top is kind of in the middle here. The lid is right here on the end. What I'm going to do is I'm going to shape the lid, then I'm going to take it off of this, cut this in half, re-put everything back on the lathe, and go ahead and start reshaping everything. Pretty much start getting my jar shape out of this. So yeah, I'll show you here in a second. Right. So here's what I got so far. I've shaped out the bottom, and well, pretty much what I got to do from this stage, I got to take it off of here, which I usually just loosen it up, pull it back, grab my piece, comes right off. Take it over to the vise, get the Sawzall here, get rid of the lid, take the lid off. The lid's pretty much done. It's got some touch-up stuff it's got to be handled, but other than that, it's good. And then yeah, start cutting things up and making a jar. Here we go.